The Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit is a tool designed to help you clean your dryer vent system effectively. It consists of several components that work together to remove lint and debris from the dryer vent, reducing the risk of fire hazards and improving the efficiency of your dryer. Here's an overview of the components included in the kit. 1. Vacuum hose attachment. This is a flexible hose attachment that connects to your vacuum cleaner. It is designed to fit into the dryer vent opening and create suction to pull out lint and debris. 2. Brush. The kit also includes a brush that attaches to the vacuum hose attachment. The brush is used to loosen and dislodge lint and debris from the walls of the dryer vent. The bristles help to agitate and scrub the vent walls, allowing the vacuum to remove the loosened debris effectively. 3. Lint remover. This tool is specifically designed to reach deep into the dryer lint trap and remove lint buildup. It helps to prevent lint accumulation in the dryer, which can lead to reduced drying efficiency and increased fire risk. 4. Dryer vent vacuum hose. In addition to the hose attachment, the kit includes a separate vacuum hose specifically designed for dryer vents. This hose is longer and more flexible, allowing you to reach deeper into the vent system. The blue color you mentioned is likely the color of the components in the kit, indicating their design or branding. It's important to note that while the Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit can be a useful tool for maintaining your dryer vent system, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions and exercise caution when working with any electrical appliance or conducting maintenance tasks.